I'm just calling to go cannonballing at number 44.
Clear a light.
Staring at the door,
Working 8 to 4.
you wanna feel the breeze.
It's 29 degrees.
It's just a short little drive.
You can't wait to boat dive.
You wanna make a splash and your friends might crash. Grab your flip-flops, pork chops, boat keys, drink please, fishing pole, ice hole, sunblock, it's 4 alive. Let's go cannonballing, yeah, at 44.
Clear a lake.
It's 4 and 3 bedrooms and a bunkhouse for the kids, plus 2 full baths.
That's right, 2 full baths.
A covered patio where you can plug the banjo. Maybe cruise around the lake cause you need a little break. Grab your flip-flops, pork chops, boat keys, drink please, fishing pole, ice hole, sunblock, it's 4 alive. Let's go cannonballing, yeah, at 44.
Clear a lake.
Hey, throw on that Speedo and call Carrie today.
Okay, well, aside from this beautiful property, let's talk a little bit about the Clear Lake lifestyle. People love it because they can come from nearby communities such as Wainwright, Edgerton, Provost. Even Edmonton's only a couple hours away. And, well, it's a lake, so there's a ton of lake activities to do to keep you, the kids, and probably the grandkids busy. And of course, there's other fun activities as well. What do we do at night? Well, there seems to be a lot of meetings. I mean, stuff gets done. But it's also the perfect time to just wind down and perhaps catch a sunset. Or the northern lights. Or perhaps the often fireworks.
But of course, the problem is, in the winter,
There's nothing to do.
There's tons to do. Go for a skate. Get out and do some sledding or quadding. Take the dog for a run. Try your hand at ice fishing. Or swim with them. Or go cross-country skiing. Just a few of the many activities you can do. You know, with the recent pandemic, people are rethinking where they live, how they live, and how they use their home. If the Clear Lake lifestyle interests you, and you would like to have a closer look, give us a call. We would love to give you a tour. Have a great day.